Hi, ChatGPT.
Hello, I'm here and ready to help. Let me know what you need and we'll get started.
Yes, I'm Prince. Today, I want you to teach me on how to build a main stack application, which is MongoDB, Express, Node.js, and React application. How can I do that? Starting from the backend, then we move on to the front end later.
Awesome. We can definitely break it down step by step. We'll start with the back end, setting up MongoDB, Express, and Node.js. Then, once that's solid, we can move on to building the React front end. Let me know if you have any specific areas you want to focus on first, and we'll dive right in.
Yes, I want to learn on how to build an efficient, scalable uh, backend
Got-
with with Node.js and MongoDB. A summary of how I can achieve that.
Absolutely. To build an efficient and scalable backend with Node.js and MongoDB, you typically start by one, setting up Node.js and Express. This involves creating an Express server to handle your API endpoints. Two, connecting to MongoDB, use Mongoose and ODM to connect your Node.js app to MongoDB, making it easy to define schemas and models. Three, designing a RESTful API, create endpoints for CRUD operations, create, read, update, delete that interact with your MongoDB collections. Four, implementing middleware, add middleware for things like authentication, error handling, logging, and validation to keep your app robust. Five, scaling considerations, use clustering in Node.js, implement load balancing, and consider using microservices if needed to ensure your app can handle increased traffic. Once we have this backend solid, we can move on to the React front end and connect it seamlessly. Let me know if you'd like to dive into any specific part in more detail.
Okay, can you dive deep? Can you dive deep on what is or what are microservices per se within the main
Of course.
specification?
Absolutely. In the context of a MERN application, microservices refer to breaking down the backend into smaller independent services, each responsible for a specific function or business capability. Instead of having one large monolithic application, you split it into multiple services that communicate over APIs. Each microservice can be developed, deployed, and scaled independently, which brings several benefits. On scalability, you can scale only the services that need more resources rather than scaling the entire application. Two, flexibility, different services can be built using different technologies or languages that best fit their